This is massage marketing educator Cherie Mo to answer a question that many massage therapists have. And this first question is, what is one thing I can do to make my massage practice stand out from the crowd? Well, first of all, make a list of all the things that you do that you are the most proud about in your practice. And then identify which of those things that maybe the other therapists in your area don't do. Or maybe, if it's your philosophy, if they don't have the same kind of philosophy. All right. And it could also be anything simply as your hours. Maybe you have weekend hours or evening hours that the other therapists might not have. It could be your range of services. Perhaps you offer a lot of other things that people don't have, or maybe you have some really cool special equipment that they don't have. And something as simple as having a hydraulic table, if most of the people and therapists in your area don't, boy, oh boy, that makes you stand out. I can tell you as a recipient of massage, having a hydraulic table is incredible. I mean, even though I'm not in private practice anymore, I get weekly massages, and I bought a hydraulic table at my own place, my own home, for the therapist to use, not just for her benefit, but for my benefit, because it's so much easier to get off and on that table. So something as simple as that. Maybe you carry a special line of products. Maybe it could be something, again, as simple as that you use only organic products, or you use scent-free products. It's not that one is better or worse than the other, but they might really set you apart. It could also be your philosophy towards wellness and client care. You might have a very different background than some of the other people. Maybe you've been in practice longer than most of the people in your area. All those kinds of things can really make you stand out. Most importantly is good customer service. And actually, forget good customer service. Excellent customer service is really what I'm talking about. Are you really going that next step? And can you identify what that is and let your current clients as well as your potential clients know about it? Perhaps the issue isn't that you don't know what you have to stand out, but you're not letting it be known. And I find that is often the biggest issue, is that your clients might not know, or they might not know that you are unique, and that the majority of other therapists don't have those things or don't do those things. They just only know, oh, this is what you offer. Okay? If for some reason you can't identify what really makes you stand out, or you don't feel that you have anything that makes you stand out, perhaps you are a new therapist, which, by the way, that's actually a way that makes you stand out, because you're fresh. You're just out of school. You have all of this knowledge and this information that is right up front. Because I got to tell you, over time, we sometimes forget things that are really important. But if that's the case, you've done this assessment and you still don't feel very strong about what you have that can stand out from other therapists, then assess what's happening in your area. What are other therapists offering? And then make a chart of, well, what aren't they offering? And then decide which thing or things you want to do and incorporate it. And of course, you've got to make it known.